Everyone, today our new chapter is about things around us. Now, look at the picture carefully, complete the name of the things shown in the picture. Now, in the picture, there are some words. Now, the word has been not completed, and we have to complete the word. Now, first is BID. Yes, in the blanks, there will be BIRD. Yes, our answer will be bird. Now next TRE dash. Now in the blanks there will be again E. TREE tree. Now next C dash P. Now our answer will be CAP cap. Okay. Now next SHO dash. Now our answer will be SHOES shoes. Now we see many things around us. Some of these things are made by man and some occur naturally. We will discuss one by one about them. Now, man-made things and natural things. Now, things that are made by mans are known as man-made things. Yes, the things which can be created by the human are called man-made things. The books you read, the pencil you write with, the bags in which you carry your books, a house, car, and many other things are made by the man. Yes, these are the things which have been created by the man, such as pencil, books, bags, house, car. These all things have been created by the man. Yes, you travel in the car also is made by the man. You talk with the help of your telephone, mobile, made by the man. You live in the house also is made by the man. All the things have been made by the man. Now the things which can't have its own movement, such as car, houses, pencil, books. These all things have been made by the man. Now things that are not made by the man are known as natural things. Yes, there are some things which have been made by the nature itself, not by the man. Now they are already present in the nature before the man. Yes, it has been not created by the human, such as mountains, rocks, rivers, clouds, and many other things occur naturally. These are the things which have been occurred by the nature, not by the man. Man have not created these things. Now you know very well that our environment is a natural surrounding things, not created by man. Okay. Now as you look in the picture, rocks, mountains, water, clouds, the natural things all made by the nature, not by the human, because they are been present before the human. Now as we know that our earth was first a fireball, and slowly million of year passes and it's cooled down, and the our earth created. Now as you have seen before, there is a thinking that there was first no man. First slowly the earth have been created, and after many years then man have been comes here. So you see that there are many things which can't be created by man, which have been created by God. Yes, this shows that the difference between natural thing and man-made thing. Again we will discuss about the natural thing and man-made thing. Natural thing such as made by the nature, such as mountain, cloud, rock, water, and man-made thing made by the man, such as pencil, books, bags, house, car. This is the difference between both of them.